Today we'll be installing the GroveTech 2 mount rail. So you'll have the rail, and this is specially cut to work with our 2-piece barrel bands. We'll have the 2-piece barrel bands. We have the 2 halves here. One's going to be threaded and one's going to be non-threaded. Let's start with picking up the threaded side and the hollow screw that is provided. So we're going to start with the hollow screw, which has slots on the top to be used with a flathead. Those slots are going to face outwards, and you're going to install it onto the top half from my angle. So you're going to start it with your fingers, and then you're going to take your flathead and turn it in until it protrudes slightly out the back. Now that the hollow screw is installed, we'll take both halves and we'll put them together, and we'll drop it into our desired location. When you're putting it into place, you want the threaded portion away from you. Now that that is on the firearm, we'll take our rail, drop that into place. Again, if you find that there's any issues, you can adjust the hollow screw so that the rail goes into place. Now that we have everything where we want it to be, we're going to take our provided Allen wrench and our set screw, and we're going to insert it into the lower hole. So with it in the lower hole, you're going to need to put some downward pressure. So in this case, I'm just going to grip it like this and then insert it and start by hand. And then now that is inserted with downward pressure on the rail itself, we're going to insert the tool and we'll start tightening. Now you can see that both the halves are starting to come together and tighten to each other. And just tighten it like so. There you go. And then we can look around on this side and just give this a little tiny snug. And that is how you install the 2 mount rail. Everything's installed. We can put a locking swivel into place. And swivels like normal. Thanks for watching.